Today I'm going to show you how to access Pinterest from a Chrome extension. So I go and click this little thing here that looks like a puzzle, and I click Pinterest here, and then it'll take me to Pinterest. And here's my account, so I go and click on my account, and you see here I have different boards with different pins saved to them. So here I have one. I have a spring, summer, fall, and winter board, each with different articles of some fun things to do, some fun crafts or activities to do during these seasons, since my theme is seasons. So here you have like a nature walk scavenger hunt for the spring, or you have flowers to make, how to make a kite, and these are articles you can click on that will explain how to do these. If I go back to my account, I now have a summer one, and here I have some more pins like 20 backyard games for kids, 50 outdoor activities, so a bunch of fun things there. If I go back, I go into my fall account, my fall board, and I have super simple fall science experiments. So you could do this in the classroom, or you could do fall census scavenger hunt. Here's a link that's 25 fall activities for toddlers. So then if I click on that and let's say, oh, seasons of motherhood, I can click follow. So now I'm following them, so I am able to see their posts. So that's how you can follow people as well. Then in winter, I have some more pins saved to this board of some fun activities you could do in school or at home. Some just super fun activities. So personally, I really like Pinterest. I think it's a great way of organizing and saving fun activities, interesting articles, or anything like that. Thank you.